so I have an unboxing that I haven't done in absolutely ages, and that is a Glossybox. Now, I was given a heads up about this box because it is absolutely stunning. It's in the style of box that I've actually kept before from Birchbox. It is one that opens like this. Listen to this. Magnetic clip. I love a magnetic clip, and it's such a pretty box that I thought, do you know what, I'm going to sign up and get this box. I was also given a heads up that there might be a cult product in here. There might not be. I'm not actually sure. I've heard people say it's only for new subscribers, but I need to check out other people's videos to see if they actually got this product and if I get the product. Now, this box is just absolutely stunning. Even the inside of the box is pretty. It comes with the lovely ribbon. I forgot how pretty this box actually was, how much detail goes into it. The ribbon and the box and the matching tissue paper. So you get your leaflet and it says Glossy and Beauty Treasures, and it tells you a little bit about what is inside the box. However, I'm not going to check until I kind of get a wee surprise. So that foil, that paper is gorgeous, isn't it, with a wee kind of sticker. So pretty. Right, okay, so here we go. Here is the box. I'm going to open it up, and the matching tissue is absolutely beautiful. The first item here was one that I was actually really looking forward to trying as well. It's FOMO and apple and starfruit. So it's a shower steamer. Now, I've used these before. It says sweet orange essential oils for this for the shower. So you usually just set it down at the bottom of your shower tray. So it says place on the shower floor, turn on the shower and allow a short time for the aroma of apple and starfruit and sweet orange essential oils to enhance your shower experience. Do not eat or drink. Keep out of reach of children. And it's from On and Off Beauty, and it's vegan friendly. So there we go. I'll take it out for you because I'll definitely use this. Oh my god, I've just seen the product that it's in there. I am so excited. Oh, right, come on. Open up for me. And Posty literally just arrived with this, and I kind of darted upstairs. Now, my hands are really useless. I've got no strength in my hands anymore, and my fingers lock, so what should be easy, you know, the little tabs to tear at the side have just come off. So you know what I'm like at destroying packaging anyway. I'm the worst. Anyway, you can kind of see what it looks like through the packaging. And the product that I bought the box for is actually in here. Is the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. Look at the size of that. That is a cult product. And it is beautiful. Wait till I show you it. Have you got Glossybox? Did you get this? I know I was watching a video. I think it was Julie was saying that she had ordered another box because she wasn't sure that she'd heard a rumour that it was for new subscribers, and she wasn't sure. And I'll need to find out if she actually got it in her regular box. But look at the size of that Beyond Power highlighter, and it says OMG. OMG indeed. Illamasqua is such a fantastic brand. Look at that! Oh my god, it's just beautiful. Oh, it is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And you probably won't see it. I'll try and put it somewhere you can see it. And you see it there. Absolutely stunning. On my finger. It's beautiful. I'm in love. It's like a kind of powdery. It's like it's on a cushion. I've never seen anything like that. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Made in Italy, cruelty free and vegan. And packaging is gorgeous. So I am over the moon. This has made this box well worth it for me. And actually it's quite nice to get a wee surprise box as well. But I will now go and check everybody else's Glossybox out. And this beautiful bronzer. So this was the other reason. It's from Kinder Beauty, and it's Kind Bronzer. Look at the packaging. Does that not just match this box as well? Seaside theme. well, it looks like a starfish. That's why I think it looks seasidey. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Bronzer. There you go, it's packaging. It reminds me a bit like, because it's wavy there, it looks a bit like the Physicians Formula one, but I don't think it smells. Nope. Oh, that's lovely. That is so nice. It's buildable as well. Because I've put a few kind of... Can you see it? No, what's going on with the light? Anyway, here it is here. The light is awful in this room, even though the sun is shining. There you go, that's better. The sun is shining and I put the big light on, but maybe that's what it is. So these are the two things that I was really excited to try, and because of the design of the box. So I got both of them. I am over the moon. Anything else now is a kind of bonus. What else is in here? Oh, there's a little freebie snack by Belvita. So it's a baked bar, dark chocolate and hazelnut. I weigh in on a Friday now, so I might have that tomorrow. And actually I'll be popping this video up on Friday, so technically I'm probably eating it now after I've weighed in. What else is in here? An Emco Beauty cheek and lip tint. Natural flush of colour for face and lips. Now I am going to massacre and I'll open this. You know me, packaging. I just love the whole like colour of the box and the tissue paper. Right, try and pull it out. And this is it here, and it says flamingo pink, but I won't use that. I'll actually pop that in one of my giveaways, so I'll pop that to one side. And last but not least, what is this? Aurora, Orica something. It's kind of almost come like vacuum sealed. I have no idea what this is. I'll check the book, that would be helpful, wouldn't it? Once I've opened it, because the writing just through the plastic, I could not see it. Aurora. Right, so that's what it looks like. This holographic name, and if you can't read what it says, it looks like some kind of liquid. If you can't read what it says, neither can I, to be honest with you. And it is a body fragrance mist in Tropique. An island escape in a bottle. This Tropique mist captivates island florals and warm rays of light and allows you to add a luxury scent that embodies exactly that to your skin. Just a spritz or two of this body fragrance will leave your skin feeling super soft. So this is £30, and it's a full size. That's amazing. That is amazing. £20. Did I say 30? £20. Smells lovely. Right, there's the door. I'll be back. I am back. Just had a delivery at the door, so I can talk you through. I'll get my leaflet back. Yeah. So that was the body fragrance, £20. The Kinder bronzer is full size as well, and that's worth £14. The Illamasqua is worth £34. It's fantastic. The cheek and lip tint from Emco is £12, and everything's full size, which is amazing. And the FOMO is £3.99. I'm really looking forward to trying that. I need to take a pair of scissors to it though. So if my maths were any good, I could work it out for you. But also says with the Illamasqua you can use an eyeshadow brush for targeted application of shimmer as well. So yeah, I'm really excited and really pleased I got this box. So I can go and see what everybody else got. Because I know they do different variations. And usually it tells you on the side, V1, variation 1. So there was, according to another YouTuber that I follow, a rumour going round that it was only PR and new new people to Glossybox that would get the Alamasca. I'm not sure if that's true, if the rumour was true, but that is version 1. I don't know how many versions that there are of Glossybox, but I am going to go and watch everybody's videos now, and I hope everybody does get that, and that the variations are different for maybe the foamy or something. I hope everybody does get the Alamasca, because that is quite exciting, especially if you've seen PR and people open the boxes and that's what you've bought the box for, like me. So yeah, I am dead excited with this box. I did get an email to say it would be slightly delayed, so I was a wee bit worried. I thought if it's delayed, I'm not going to get the Alamasca. So the thing is, I've only taken it on a roll-in contract. Do I keep it going? Because I was quite excited to see what was in this month. Do I keep it going for a wee while and then cancel it again? I don't know. I'm going to hold on to it for now, because I think there's a Huda Glossybox coming up. Did I see that somewhere? Am I making that up? But next month you get the sneak peek is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, worth £30, and I think that's a 15ml one, and my son nicks these whenever I get them. I don't think he realises how expensive they are, or maybe he does. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this, and actually, as I say, I'm going on to check what everybody else gets. Do you know what's interesting? Top 10 tip, oh that's fine, with that mist is to massage an unscented lotion on your skin before you spritz it to help lock in the scent for longer. Never heard of that before. That's interesting. I think all my moisturising lotions are all scented anyway, except for the maybe the CeraVe one isn't, but most of them are scented, I think. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying out these products. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon, guys. If you did get this box and didn't get the Alamasca, like, can you let me know down below in the comments? Speak to you soon. Bye, guys.